Hi! What I found out is that the hospitality here is great. I just had a hair transplant of 4,000 grafts, and after the transplant I felt very great. I have my confidence back. Previously I felt like after I have a big male pattern baldness here, so it's lack of confidence, especially when I go out and in the industry. But now with the hair transplant, I feel like my confidence gained back slowly and slowly. Even though now it's still short and still the early stage, but I can feel like it is coming back. Now this is after 7 days. And I must say the doctors and the nurses are really well trained, and the doctors here are really friendly, especially Dr. Jas. He always check with you through time, and he will follow up with you every single day. It's a 5-star hair transplant clinic, which is and also the doctors are certified.